How to open and use the compass on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on display. So after click on display, scroll down and click on, you will see edge panels. So after click on edge panel, make sure edge panel button is turned on. So after turn on edge panel, click on panels. So you will see, so you will check tool panel is add. So after add tool panels, go back to home screen and open panel. So you will see compass is showing on tools. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can open and use the compass on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.